We'll guide you through how to add bots to a Discord server on a mobile. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Discord mobile, and so you want to go and add in bots to your server. We're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure this full guide to exactly what you need to do and don't skip anything, as we're covering important steps throughout this whole video. So let's go and get into this. To get started, let's come to the server, so you can swipe across, go to the left and come into the server you want to do this in. So here we are. Now there are different bots you can go and get. Different bots can go and help moderate. They can go and add in different things like member and server accounts, amongst other things. So we're going to guide you through, and you can actually go and browse through different bots you can get as well. You may go and have a specific one in mind as well. It doesn't matter. So we're going to guide you through this. So to go and get started, we do actually need to come out of the Discord app. You may have tried this on a computer where you can go and add them within the app, but on a mobile, we do need to come out. Go and open up a web browser. We'll use Safari as I'm on an iPhone, but you could use Chrome, it doesn't matter. Tap on the search and you want to go and type in Discord app directory, just like so. And you can come to the official Discord site at the top here. Now here, we're going to be able to go and browse. So you can go and press more at the top, and we can press moderation and tools. And then you can scroll through here and we can go and find different bots. So I quite like DinoBot. That's a good bot. And there's lots of others like Ticket Tool as well for sort of customer service. It's really convenient. So let's say I want to add this. I'll press the plus to the right, sign into your Discord account. After you've done that, you can then go and press select a server, and you can choose the server you want to go and add it to. So I'm going to select GuideRealm team, then press continue. Make sure you have all the correct permissions there and go and press authorize. Then I'll press I am a human. That's it. It's now been added. So we can come and return to Discord like so. If I press general, you go and see the Ticket Tool bot has now been added. It will go and vary depending upon the bot, but then usually you can go and type in a command like /help, and we can go and find more about it and setting it up. Otherwise, you can find out about it more on the bot's website. Of course, there are loads more bots you can go and find online as well. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more how-tos like this. Have a great day, and I look forward to catch you again.